How to know if your WhatsApp is cloned? Here's how. The first sign that your WhatsApp might be cloned is unusual activity in your account. So first open the WhatsApp and spot any outgoing messages that you didn't write or the unread message that you haven't opened. It could mean that someone else is reading your chat. If you notice this strange activity, it's time to check for the linked devices. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Link Devices from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of all the active sessions. If you spot any unauthorized device that you don't recognize, tap on it, then click Log Out. Furthermore, let's add an extra layer of protection with two-step verification. Again, go back and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. Select Settings from the menu, go to the account and tap on the two-step verification. Tap on the Turn On button at the bottom. You will be also asked to provide a backup email in case you forget your PIN. After entering your email, tap the Next button. Finally, your WhatsApp is now safe and secure from cloning.